everyone. So today we're going to be doing some tests on the 200X. Before I rebuilt the engine, I remember going to some radar runs on the ice. I had some 25-inch tires, stock gearing, and top speed was 45. So then when the engine blew up...
Alright Kyle, how are you feeling about your three-wheeler?
She's cooked. Crank is locked up.
So then when the engine blew up, I set this goal to try to hit 60. But then the radar runs kept getting canceled because of ice conditions. So today we're gonna try it on the road and see what we can hit. I got my phone here with the GPS on it. It'll show my top speed, and we marked out roughly 800 feet, which is what that radar run was. So then we're gonna try tire sizes and gearing and see what we can do. All right, so these are the tires it came with. They're a little small, but they're 18-inch. Originally these came with 21s. We got 18s we're gonna try, and then 20s, and then 25s off of Big Red. We're running a 40 rear sprocket, 42, and then a 12 front sprocket. We had to part out another three-wheeler, but that's no big deal. We got the 20s on it now. I didn't touch the gearing, so we're gonna make another run. Last run was 52 miles an hour, so we already beat my 45 from before. But we put those tires on. I'm curious to tires. When we put the 25s on, I'm curious to see how much of a gain we get with the stock gearing, because that was how it was originally. So that'll just be a test of the performance mods if they did anything. All right, got the 20s on, stock gearing. Let's make a run. Oh, Travis wants a race. All right, time for the big 25s. All right, we got the 25s on it. Last time they were on, this thing blew up. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 50 miles an hour with the 25s and stock earrings, so I picked up about 5 miles an hour, but it was pulling hard to the left for some reason. It's probably the air pressure, and it took a while to shift out of fourth. So right now we got the 18s back on, which I think are still a little small, but I got a 13 tooth front sprocket, so this is probably gonna be close to what it was with the 20s, but we'll see. Alrighty, man, we're gonna drag race. Alright, so the GoPro died. I made another run with the 18s and I hit 54. So I was pretty consistent with 54, 52. Kind of running out of time here, and I'm having problems with my Kickstarter. We've been having to push start the three-wheeler every time. I may have broke a gear, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at it, but Travis is making a run. Travis just hit 51. It's pretty good. So they're pretty even. Wish we had more time for this, but gonna have to end it here. And Polaris 400 is running good. That's about it for this one. Thanks for watching.